Okay, so it looks like I made that other video too long, but not sure how to pronounce your name. But I'm making this video for you Nirja. Um, I really want to start working with you today, and I want you to try and do what I've done in this video today and actually finish this first site for me today so I can get you your next site tomorrow. Um, Let me go ahead and pull up the one I was working on. All the sites I'm going to have hosted and cloned for you so that when you go in to start, it'll be like this right here. You already know about the steps. You already know about the profile sheet. You know a lot of everything. So when I went in last night, I did all this in the video. I went in to edit on each one. I changed the name and the content. Anywhere in any content that you see the old company name, I changed it to the new one. So this one is Sparkling Blue Boca. I changed it to Sparkling Blue. It was Sparkling Clear. The address was a Lake Worth address. I changed it to a Boca address. I created a Setmore account and linked this to the new Setmore account. So you'll have to create a Setmore account for Palm Beach Gardens pool service, the one you're working on. Now, this is where the embedded H-card reviews are going to go. I haven't put them in there because I don't have reviews yet for Boca, and you don't have reviews yet for Palm Beach Gardens either, so I'm going to work on that today. I changed the phone number, and then I hyperlinked it so that it's a click to call, just so you can see how to hyperlink it. You type TEL semicolon, I believe it is. It's the two dots that are the same. Then you put the phone number. And that's it. Then it's hyperlinked. Then you go down here and I changed all the meta tags and title tags. You can see the phone number is different, the name of the company is different, but everything else is the same. I tried to change as little as possible. Um, there's really a lot more changes that I made. I'm trying to think of each one, but I don't want the video to be an hour and a half like the first one was. So let me go through the next page and I'll see what I changed there. Now there's one section where I took off the content and added the new content. Let's see if I can find that. Okay, well this page, it was sparkling clear. I changed it to sparkling blue. Sparkling clear to sparkling blue. I changed the address here and the phone number here. The code block, I want you to wipe out the code blocks because we're going to use a schematic generator to put the new code in. I actually want you to work on that today. It's not really hard. Just go to a video and watch how to use the schematic generator. And you're basically going to enter in the citation into the schematic generator. It's going to produce you a code with an NAP citation code marked up for schema, and then you'll just copy it and then paste it into a code block, which is right here. I changed sparkling blue here again. I changed this to Boca, and then I changed the phone number here again. This should be hyperlinked. I forgot to hyperlink that. I removed the logos. This was supposed to be changed, and it wasn't. And then the Yelp listings and the Facebook listings and the Bing listings will all link to the one that you have set up. and the profiles that you've created. So these need to all outbound link to the profiles that you've created. I haven't changed that yet. I changed this to Boca Raton, and then here again I've fixed all the tags and changed the phone number to the correct one and changed the city to the correct one. The keywords are fine the way they are. I don't think there's going to be an issue with keywords. I'll go over and edit everything later though, so just keep moving through everything and let me know if you have any issues. But don't spend too much time on any one thing, because we can always go back and fix it later. Okay, now this will link to the Google Plus page for Palm Beach Gardens Pool Service. This will link to the review section for Palm Beach Gardens Pool Service. I changed this here to the Boca Raton. You'll change it to Palm Beach Gardens. Don't worry about the link bar. I'll take care of the link bar. Just leave that as is. Then this will go to the Set More account that you're going to create. So you'll just click on it. I've actually created one for Boca Raton, copied it, and I've pasted it right here. So this is, you can always test it after to make sure it's right, but that's basically how you're going to make an appointment. As you click here, it'll take you to the Set More Appointment Creating account, and then your Set More Appointment Creating account should be linked to my Stephen Schraden 1 at Gmail account, so that I get all my emails there for anyone that makes an appointment. Now, there'll be a section marked Add Read More. My Add Read More will go right here after the first paragraph. I haven't taken the time to do that yet. It's a plugin. You'll just go and use the Read More plugin and insert it right here in your content. I've actually marked your content. You need to go ahead and erase in your content where it says Add More or Add Read More button, and then install the phone number, because we don't want to show all this, but we need it to be there for the search engine. So you'll do that there. Again, this is where the HCard reviews will go, but you don't have those to copy yet. This content I want to remain the same. Don't worry about changing that. That's fine. Same with this content here. Just leave that the way it is. Code block, again, you'll put the NAP schema code there, and don't worry about doing that today. We'll go ahead and save that until I create a video for you on that. Yelp will link to the Yelp page you created, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, link to Sparkling Clear Pool Care YouTube channel, which is my YouTube channel. So don't worry about that being specific for each site. They'll all just link to Sparkling Clear Pool Care. Again, I fixed the snippet here, title tag, so on and so forth. Don't worry about the SEO analysis. It's going to say there's some issues. I realize that, but I just want to get through making these sites. I have a lot of sites to make, and I'll go back through and fine-tune them later. Let's go to the top of the page. Okay, I've taken the photo out of the footer or the header. I actually have a logo I can send you to embed there. I want you to embed the phone number in the logo. It's going to be this logo right here, and put the phone number in it, and then put it up there as a picture. Where did I just put that? Yeah, buddy, I really want to work with you, man. I think this could work out for us. Like I said, I'm just going to give you the same thing to do each day. It's not going to be hard for you once you've built the site twice or 3 times. Trying to see where I went with that WordPress page. Let's log in again. Mine are all the domain / in-house, like you know. I'll give you the So I'm going to email you the logo here. Go ahead and put that in there. Change this to the city that you want, and then the category content goes under each one of these. It's actually labeled, I think, the way it's supposed to be. So under each one of these will go the category content. Go ahead and change this up here. Go ahead and make it turquoise for me if you would, and change it to sparkling blue Palm Beach Gardens. Again, your set more is going to go to, this is going to go to your set more account. This is also going to link to your set more account. So you'll embed a link in this just like you would this here. This is an example of my set more account. This is fine to leave the same. You see I've edited this and changed it to Boca Raton. It was Wellington. This needs to be changed. This is one of the most important things that I want you to change. I'm actually have you change this on other sites as well. This will be the NAP or citation, and you'll change that. I believe it's in the footer. Then down here you'll change this to Palm Beach Gardens. Okay, this is just a rough idea of what I want you to do. I think you're going to be able to go from here. None of this is too hard. The most difficult thing may be the schematic markup or the HCard reviews, and that's really not that hard. It's just about being organized, and once you've done the first one, you're going to be able to fly through the second one and the next 10 after that. I'm definitely going to be able to give you a bonus if you can fly through these and, get one done in less than 8 hours. And I don't see any reason that it should take you more than 8 hours. I think I could do one in 4, to be honest with you. But I have a certain budget set aside for you for each one. So if you can do it in 4 hours, that's better. You can get more done, and I can give you a bigger bonus on each one. So let's just see what we can do. And if it takes you 8 hours, that's fine. I'm not going to be upset with that. I'm still going to be able to give you some bonus. All right, I'm going to send this to you now.